How to transfer your Shopify store to another Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys two methods which can enable you to transfer your Shopify store. Now, there can be a multitude of reasons why you might want to transfer your store. First off is that if you're running out of your Shopify store trial and you want to get started with a new trial, but you have already set up some of the basics of your store, you might want to transfer it onto a brand new store so you have an extended trial with Shopify. Secondarily, you might just be choosing to transfer your stores or merging two stores together, and that is why you might want to merge your stores together. So we're going to be covering how to do that, and let's get started. Now, the first quick and easy way is to simply go into your online store on the left. Once you click on online store on your Shopify dashboard, you can click on these three dots on the right. Then you can see you have your option to download your theme file. You can click on this and your theme files will be mailed to you. You can click on send email and your theme files will be sent to you. So if I open up my mailbox over here, I will probably see my Shopify store theme files that will be sent to me. It might take a little bit of time. And once you do that, you will be able to just use your initial theme files and you can just reuse those theme files to build your new store. However, this is just not the most convenient way to transfer your store onto another store. Instead, the method that I like to use is by using an application called Duplify. So to use this, simply head on over to your Shopify store, and then you're going to click on settings on the bottom left. Once you do that, you're going to click on apps and sales channels, and then click on the top right where it says Shopify App Store. Once you open up your App Store, you're going to go into your search bar. And you can search for copy Shopify store or duplicate Shopify store. You're going to see several other applications, or if you use the term transfer Shopify store, like this, you have multiple applications, but the one that I recommend is Duplify. So I'm just going to search for Duplify over here. And once you search for Duplify, you're going to see the Duplify Duplicate Your Store application. You have other options, but Duplify I've found to be the easiest one to use. It's available for free, and it's a really simple and quick solution. So you're going to click on install over here. And once you click on install over here, a new tab is going to open up where you're going to complete the installation of this new application. So we're going to click on install once more. Now, once we've done that, we can proceed on to our next step. And we're just going to pin this to our navigation on the left. Now, once we do that, we have two options to connect our stores. If we are exporting the data from this store to the next one, or if we are taking the data from our new store. Now, this is called Lily's, and I want to actually take the data from Lily's and transfer it onto a new store. So I want to export data out. So I will just click on export data out. And once I do that, I will have my store unique ID, store name, and notification email. So for that, we're going to click on all stores and build our brand new store where we want to send out our new store information. So we're going to click on create Shopify store. Shopify stores are very easy and simple to create. I'm going to skip the setup process so we can move directly into our brand new store. And for that store, you're again going to need to download the Duplify application into the new store. So the one where you are transferring data from and the one where you are transferring data to. I'm transferring data to this new store and I'm going to be calling this, let's say, Spencer, just so it's easier for you guys to differentiate. And then I'm just going to click on save, open up my Shopify App Store. And once I open up my Shopify App Store for Spencer, I'm going to search for Duplify. And then I'm going to download the Duplify application into my Spencer store as well, where the data from Lily's is going to come in. And I'm just going to complete the installation as I previously did. Once I've done that, now I have Lily's opened up in this tab and I have Spencer opened up in this tab. Now on Spencer, I want to export data to this store. So I'm going to select this and then copy this key. Once I copy this key, I'm going to go into Lily's and I'm going to enter the store key, and then we're going to enter the notification email. Once I've done that, I am going to choose how I want to proceed with my export. So if you want to start a full export or if you want to start with a free demonstration, 5 products of your choice will be exported to your destination store. And I'm just going to proceed with a demo because I want you guys to be able to see the results as well. The demo export only takes a couple of seconds for the total export to be completed, so you guys can actually see the functionality of this particular tool. And the export has now been completed. Now, below that, you can choose your export options. If you want to export products, collections, customers, orders, active themes, navigation menus, pages, blog posts, redirects, meta objects, and meta fields. Let's say I want to add my products and I want to set the state of products in the destination store. So if I want it to be inherent from the store, which means that if the product is active or saved as a draft on Lily's, it should be transferred as it is. I only want everything to be drafted. I don't want it to be added as active products. Then we have export behavior for existing products where we have duplicates. So I would like to ignore duplicates from my export. You can add more product filters if you want. Then I want to add collections or customers or orders, whatever I prefer. Let's say I only want to include maybe meta objects or blogs and posts. And now we have 6 estimated events in total. Then I'm going to click on Start Export, and then we can choose the plan of our choice. We have several different plans. We're going to go into detail on this later. But now if I go into Spencer over here, you guys can see I have 5 products that have been added. And if I go into my Lily's products, these are the products on my Lily store, and these have been added onto my Spencer store as well. So this is how quick and easy duplicating or transferring your Shopify store from one to another is. Now, if you want to do this in far more detail, which is available, you do have to upgrade to premium versions of the Duplify application. So if you go onto the Duplify application, you guys can see that on the free version of this application, the overall usage is pretty limited. So for complete exports, you guys can see we have the starter plan at $79 a month, which allows you to export over 1,000 events plus $0.05 per extra event over that. Then you have the middle plan for $99, which includes 2,000 exports and then 0.03 cents per extra event. And then their advanced one is $129, and then you only get charged $0.01 per extra event. Because this is a one-time thing, you only have to honestly purchase this for 1 month, and then you can just cancel your subscription, and that is all you need. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.